Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm wrapping my Christmas presents this year. I did do one of these videos last year that I will link up above. I really loved how the presents turned out last year, so you can check that one out as well. It's very similar to what I'm doing this year. I am going to be using my paper for a lot of them, and this I just got at Walmart in the packing section where you find like bubble wrap and that sort of stuff. It's just brown paper. And then I got some stamps and a stamp pad at Michael's, which I'm going to be using as well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is measure the paper out for the box. And then I'm going to add my stamp before I actually wrap the present, because it's hard to put the stamps on when the present is wrapped because it's just not like a super hard surface. So I'm gonna measure the paper out for the box, but not actually wrap it. Also, I apologize, I have a lot of cats going on right now. So I'm just going to start at the top corner and go like straight across. So depending on what ink you use, you want to just let it sit for a minute before you like touch it, just because if you're using an ink that will smear, you kind of just need to let it dry for a second. So I usually just like test one on the side, so it's still a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead with this. So it looks like this. It's so cute. It looks like actual wrapping paper, and I just really like how it turned out. I think it's super cute. Okay, so I'm also gonna add a black ribbon to the present just because I like the simple black and white colors. Okay, so it looks like this, super cute. Okay, so this one I wrapped in this cute red truck wrapping paper. And then I cut this is actually just scrap from a different present I wrapped with the paper. So this is a good way to use up this scrap stuff. So I cut a strip. Obviously it's not super straight, so I'm going to just fold the edges in to try and make it look a little straighter. Okay, so I got my strip. I just folded the backs in like this, and then I'm gonna put it over top of the present like this. It's upside down, but like that. And I'm going to do my tree stamp along the top of it to kind of go with the trees in the back of the truck on this wrapping paper. That, and then I'm going to make sure the trees are going the same way as the paper. little big, and then I'm just gonna tape it to the back where you won't really see the tape. Like that. So it is got the tree paper with the little trees added to it. And it looks super cute. I just love this red truck paper. It's so cute. And then I like to add a little touch with the paper trees. Okay, for this next gift, I've just wrapped it in brown paper. And I'm gonna use this cute little ornament. I think it's like just like a tree ornament, but I thought it'd be cute to add, and it kind of matches the brown paper vibe. So I'm going to put some white ribbon around it, then attach this in the middle, and I think I'm gonna add my tree stamp because it kind of goes with the vibe of like the wood wrap. Okay, so I didn't want to actually tie it to this part because it would hang too low, so I just tied a knot around the end of it. And then I'm gonna add the tree stamp just in the opposite corner, because there's kind of like 4 corners. So I got my ink pen. Okay, so that is the finished product of this one. It's really simple, but I just really love the little like wood round ornament, so it's super cute. Okay, so this next one I got wrapped in my paper, and I'm gonna use some ribbon. Pretty thick, but okay, look how cute that looks. So I like this ribbon because it has wire in it, so you can like really fluff it and make it good. So I just tied a bow like you normally tie a bow. And that's how it turned out. It looks really cute. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed watching this little video of some of the presents that I'm wrapping this year. I love watching videos of people wrapping presents just to get other ideas. I personally love shopping and wrapping presents. It's one of my favorite parts of Christmas, so I thoroughly enjoy getting creative and fun with the wrapping paper. And this year, it won't just be Chris and I like it was last year, because we will be going to spend Christmas with my family this year, which is exciting because last year we had Christmas by ourselves. So this year I do get to see a few more people, so I wanted to wrap their presents nice and special as well. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you are having a great holiday season so far, and I will see you in the next video.